What's up guys, today's video is about the top 5 best electric candle lighter of this year through extensive research and testing to put together a list of options. So what are the price, performance, and particular use? For more information on the products, do I have to include the links in the description box below, which is updated for the best prices? Like the video, do comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1. Ronxs Rechargeable Candle Lighters. This sleek, rechargeable candle lighter from Ronxs features a long handle and a flexible neck that reaches into even the deepest candles and barbecue grills for easy lighting with no risk of being burned by the flame. The electric pulse provides 600 uses on a full charge, with 5 LED lights showing how much of a charge the lighter still holds. That charge is made easy with a convenient USB charging cable. The 4-inch neck can rotate 360 degrees for reaching into tight spaces. The specially designed handle, easy to hold with a non-slip grip, also includes a safety switch for more peace of mind. The lighter is lightweight and well suited for inclement weather, thanks to the splash-proof and wind-resistant design. As an added bonus, this candle lighter makes less noise than the competition, so there's no interruption of the quiet ambience while lighting candles during a dark and stormy night. With a full length of just under 10 inches, this versatile lighter is available in black, blue, red, champagne, and silver. Pros: each charge provides 600 uses. 360-degree rotating neck. Non-slip handle. LED lights show remaining charge. Cons: requires recharging. Number 2. Zippo Mini MPL Candle Lighter. This butane candle lighter has a rugged and durable metal construction with a brushed chrome finish. It features a patented safety lock button which is child-resistant, and only allows the ignition switch to engage when it is released. It has an advanced and soft-touch ignition for easy lighting. All you need to do is slide the switch forward and then hold it to maintain the flame. It's very simple and convenient to fill with butane, and is great for lighting candles, fireplaces, and grills. Pros: versatile use. Refillable and reusable. Torch-style flame. Made from premium quality materials. Cons: flame intensity is not adjustable. Number 3. MEIRUBY Electric Candle Lighter. Being both splash-proof and windproof, this electric lighter for candles can be used even in wet and windy weather conditions. This rechargeable USB lighter can be used up to 600 times on a single charge, and features 4 LED lights to display the charge level as well. Its sleek design is extremely elegant, and is both smell and spark-free, making it more comfortable and convenient to use. It features an on/off button and an 8-second automatic power switch off for added safety, a switch button to ignite it, and an arc pulse ignition. It takes just 8 seconds to light a candle, and this versatile lighter can also be used while camping, cooking, as a barbecue lighter, and in the fireplace. Pros: economical. Environment-friendly. Portable. High temperature protection. Cons: it makes a high-pitched noise that may disturb animals. Number 4. VEHHE Candle Lighter. Equipped with a lithium battery, this pack of 2 electric lighter candles can be used several hundred times on one charge. Its LED power display helps you to see how much charge is left so that you are never caught off guard. They have a long, flexible neck that can rotate 360 degrees, so that it can easily reach difficult-to-reach places like deep candles or gas stoves, without burning your fingers. It features a safety lock, a 7 seconds automatic power switch-off function, and disconnects if the temperature is too high. Ideal for both indoor and outdoor use, it can also be used while hiking, camping, or firing a grill. Crafted with durable zinc alloy, the lighters measure 11.5 by 1.2 by 1.2 inches, and can be charged on computers, mobile phones, and other rechargeable devices. Pros: windproof. Splash-proof. Convenient and portable. Includes 2 USB charging cables. Includes a gift box. Cons: some feel the flame could be bigger. Number 5. Vibola Rechargeable Candle Lighter. This teal-blue electric plasma arc candle lighter eliminates the emission of gas, smoke, and odor, and is perfect for both outdoor and indoor use with its revolutionary flameless technology. It has several safety measures in place, such as a 7-second auto power switch off when not in use, auto power off when fully charged, a retractable arc head, and intelligent overheat protection. All you have to do is push up the safety switch and press the power button. The contacts on the head are crafted with premium quality alumina ceramic, which is temperature resistant and durable. The case is made of aluminium alloy so that the heat dissipates quickly after use. It can be recharged with the included USB cable and works up to 600 times on a single charge, with LED lights to display the charge. Pros: long-lasting, environmentally friendly, low noise, wide application, certified safe battery. Cons: the battery may drain quite fast. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.